Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change date and time manually on your Windows 11. So for this guys, I'm going to show you two methods. So first method is this guys. Right click on your date and time in your taskbar like this, and here you can get the option adjust date and time. Just click and open it. Okay, it will open your date and time settings. So first, if you want to set the date and time manually, set time automatically, just we need to disable this option. That's it. Okay, after this guys, here you can get the option set the date and time manually. Just click on change, and here you can easily able to change the date and time manually. Okay, so this is the first method. So in case this option was gray out on your Windows PC, set date and time manually, you can follow next method. Press Windows key button, and here you need to search control panel and open it. In the control panel guys, you can get the option clock and region. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option date and time. Open it, and here click on change date and time. Just click on it. Okay, after this guys, here you can easily able to change the date and time easily. So this is the second method. So these are the two easy and very simple method to change the date and time manually on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.